The officials are taking drastic measures to stop the spread of the coronavirus. So right now that they warn supplies are dangerously low, the cases continue to skyrocket, and there are definitely not enough hospital beds to accommodate all of the cases that are out there. Healthcare workers are going to be demanding action today. CBS 2's Rena Roy is outside Montefiore in the Bronx with more this morning. Rena?
Well, Chris, nurses here at Montefiore Medical Center will be rallying later this morning outside of the hospital to demand more N95 masks and also more personal protective equipment in general from the federal government as they try to battle this virus while also trying to keep themselves safe. This as officials here in the city crack down even more on social distancing to help flatten the curve.
The city now has an up-close look at the hotspots of the coronavirus. This map from the health department zeroes in on zip codes. Every borough feeling the brunt of the disease in spots, with some getting hit harder than others, like in sections of Brooklyn and Queens. Health officials say for various reasons.
We know that in Queens, many families, because of poverty, live together in very close quarters. So that while we are practicing as a city social distancing, you may have multiple families living together in a very small apartment.
And because of that, some city officials say it's necessary to focus on the so-called epicenters of the virus.
And if we don't do that, we're going to create this almost divide in this city where affluent people are going to have adequate health care, adequate response, and poorer communities will not, and that is not how we can fight this virus.
Playgrounds have been a relief for cooped-up kids climbing the walls, but the governor decided that another way to fight the virus is to padlock them. Mr. Cuomo has had it up to here with people congregating when they shouldn't be and violating the rules of keeping 6 feet apart.
We're going to close down the city playgrounds and leave the open spaces available. So use the open space in a park, walk around, get some sun, great. No density, no basketball games.
But some city officials say despite all the press conferences and the publicity, some just don't get the message.
The other day I told a group of young people that were playing basketball in Kumasi, I said, hey guys, you're supposed to have social distance. They said, what the hell is social distance? Everyone doesn't run to the corner and read the New York Times in the morning. We need to communicate with people in the place where they receive communications.
Adams wants the park police better utilized for enforcement. In the meantime, the city says keep your distance.
Now, dozens of healthcare workers also rallied on Saturday here in the Bronx at Jacoby Medical Center nearby, saying management only offered limited supplies to them and even asked nurses to reuse the same N95 masks for an entire week. We are live in the Norwood section of the Bronx this morning. Rena Roy, CBS 2 News.
All right, Rena, thank you.